Hi, my name is Alejandra Nair Rodriguez Garza.
Hi, my name is Sofia Gonzalez.
Hi, my name is Mauricio Dávila Moreno.
Hi, my name is Ana Gabriela Leal.
Hello, my name is Antonio Martin Gonzalez.
Now we're going to talk about the safety measures. Well, safety measures are commonly used in the labs in order to prevent accidents and also protect us from the chemicals that are used in the lab. These measures are important because they help us to stay safe and we need to follow them in order to prevent accidents. For the experiment that we chose, the first safety measure that we follow was to use a lab coat. This helps us to prevent that the substances that we used in the experiment from getting in touch with our skin. And the second safety measure that we used was the gloves. We use the gloves so we can protect our hands from the chemicals that we used.
Well, to start with the experiment, we need some materials, which are honey, soap, water, alcohol, oil, and a clear plastic or glass bottle.
Hi guys, as you know, we are going to do an experiment that is called the tower of colors or the tower of liquids. We have added 80 milliliters to each glass with each substances that we will use in this experiment and that we can find in the kitchen, such as the oil, the water, the honey, and the soap. And the alcohol, that in this case is ethyl alcohol, we can find it in the cabinet, in the medicine cabinet. Previously, I added food colorant to the water and to the alcohol to fulfill our purpose and the name of the experiment, that is the Tower of Colors. To begin, we will add in this glass that is the tower the oil. Here is the oil. We will add it. Then the water. Then the soap. The soap that is green. Then we will add the honey. Let's see what happens. And finally, we will add the alcohol.
Well, let's talk about the International Measurement System or the metric system. This is a standard measurement system that gives standard measurements to the 17 countries that signed the treaty. This treaty was signed on May 20 of the 1875. This system is composed by 7 main categories. They measure the length that is in meters, the mass that is on kilograms, the time that is on seconds, the temperature that is on Kelvin, the amount of substance that is in mole, the intensity of the light that is in candela, and the electrical current that is in ampere.
So, what does that happen on experiment? There we can see how the honey it remains in the bottom, meanwhile the alcohol remains in the upper case of the bottom of the bottle. That happens due to the different density that each reagent have. For example, the density of the honey is very high, so it is in the bottom, and the density of the alcohol is very low, so it flows among the other substance. Also, it can be explained by the principle of Archimedes that explains that the repugnance of the substance is proportional to the force of the fluid in which it is in. For example, if you put honey in a bottle and you submerge it on a fluid, then it will float with a force proportional to the water, or explained in that way. Also, we can see how two substances seem to be combined, but that is not what happened, because the color is a little bit different. So it's all an impression of the eye.
To conclude, we know that density is not only important when you are in a laboratory, it is also important for daily life, since as in this case there are some liquids that due to their density don't come together, and knowing this information can free us of some accidents. Demonstrating the density of those liquids was fun and simple, since nowadays it is not possible to go to a laboratory. At home, we can do amazing experiments with substances that have certain properties that perhaps we didn't know about them, and always taking into account certain prevention measures. And that's it. Thank you.